All units, I got a suspect heading at a high rate speed, heading northbound, black Mustang.
10-4. I think it's from northern, something like that. I might not be leaving a note.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. I want to ask you all to do me a huge favor. Take 5 seconds of your time. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And while you're at it, if you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. There's a large percentage of you guys that watch the channel that are not subscribed. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Today we are doing something to the car that includes performance and cosmetics at the same time. We are getting a new set of wheels. In fact, we are getting a set of bead locks. We went with the F14 Forge Star wheels, custom powder coated. So right now we're about to go pick them up. Let's go have a look. Alright guys, we just pulled up at Unleashed Motorsports and I'm so excited because I haven't even seen these wheels yet. They are custom powder coated to almost match my Project 6 GR wheels. Obviously it's not going to be a 100% match, but I believe he got in contact with them to get the actual color code. It should be pretty close. Either way, we were having traction issues, so we had to get this taken care of. The R888s did not hook at all, so we went with a Mickey Thompson AT Street R, of course. That's what most of you are running, or most of the higher horsepower cars, so we shouldn't have an issue with traction anymore. So I'm definitely excited to test them out and give you guys the results. Alright guys, we just got the tires on and the fitment is absolutely perfect. I'm not going to show you guys yet because I'm going to film a whole cinematic sequence, but it's the first time me pulling out and it drives pretty damn good. Feels good knowing that I'll be able to hook. You got that confidence. I left my Project 6 GR wheels here because I found another nail in the back tire. It's mind-blowing. Like, those tires have less than 1,000 miles on it, and I got a big bolt in the front tire already, and now I found a nail in the back tire. Absolutely ridiculous. With that being said, I'm going to drive home right now. I will do a complete review later in this video, of course, and get a whole cinematic shot. I still got to get a cinematic shot for the hood. By this point, you've already seen that, so I'm going to knock it all out at the same time.
times when I go out to the spot, I actually run into other cars that are racing, so don't be surprised if we run into another car and catch a race on the way there or on the way back. It's always a good time coming out here, especially on the weekend. It's a known spot. As you see, cars just go flying by. Anyhow, we're gonna get to that spot. We're gonna get a run in, just a quick 60 roll, maybe try a 50 roll. We're not gonna do nothing crazy. Probably let out right away, to be honest. There's no reason to really prolong our run and risk breaking something for no reason. Literally maybe 60 to 100, make sure that it's hooking, and that's all I care about for right now. So it doesn't look like we're going to be running into anybody tonight, but we are at our spot, so we'll catch you in just a minute. All right, guys, let's see if these tires hook. We're going to come around this corner here. Because I'm running no ice in the tank, of course. So it gets hot quick. I got up to 190 degrees and completely pulled timing. Now it's back down to like 160-ish. So either way, it hooked and it went rather surprisingly. If I could get the temps down, I'll try it out from 40.